Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Hello everyone, I'm Pharmacist Michael, and today I'm going to make you another smoothie. This one is a very high in anti-inflammatory ingredients, and it can also help you lose weight. So instead of making you suffer through watching me cut all these fruits and vegetables up, what I'm going to do this time is I am going to tell you what's in this smoothie. I'm going to tell you what the benefits of each ingredient are. Then I'm going to cut it all up off camera, throw it together, and show you the final product. Because you guys really don't need to watch me cut it up, right? That's kind of boring. What you really want to know is what these ingredients can do for you. So let's start with our first ingredient. The first thing I'm going to put in is fresh pineapple chunks. So I bought a pineapple at the supermarket, and I'm going to cut it up into chunks, and it's going to be the first ingredient. Now, what can pineapple do for us? Pineapple has a lot of benefits. It can help our eyesight. It can accelerate wound healing. It actually decreases blood clotting. It enhances our digestion and helps with digestive problems. It promotes healthy blood pressure. It fights inflammation. That's part of the reason we're using it. It can help with weight management. Another reason we're using it in this smoothie. It helps with bone health. It helps our immune system. And it enhances blood circulation. So pineapple is a very healthy ingredient. It's sweet, so it's going to give our smoothie sweetness. Next, let's talk about lemons. What can lemons do for you? Well, we know they're high in antioxidants, right? Because they're full of vitamin C. And vitamin C is a very strong antioxidant. We also know they taste really good. Lemons can decrease your risk of heart disease, anemia, kidney disease. They can also assist in weight loss. We think they help with digestive issues and cancer as well. What about ginger root? We've talked about ginger root before. It's another very important herb. We use ginger root for our stomachs. Remember, if you have nausea, ginger tea is one of the best things that you can take. My turmeric supplement also has ginger in it. But what else can ginger do? Well, it's an antioxidant. It's anti-inflammatory. We think ginger can increase serotonin and dopamine, which can help with anxiety. It can also help with depression. We think it may have positive effects on dementia, Alzheimer's disease, which is a form of dementia. I think it can improve our immunity, help with PMS symptoms, help with pain, and help your skin. What about cucumbers? We're going to put a cucumber in this smoothie. What can cucumbers do for us? They can hydrate our bodies. Remember, cucumbers are mostly water, so that's one health benefit of them. They can strengthen our bones, help prevent cancer, manage our blood sugar levels, which can help fight diabetes. Cucumbers can improve our digestion. They can protect our kidneys. Again, aids in weight loss, reduces inflammation. So far, these are all anti-inflammatory foods we're putting in this smoothie, and they can also promote good skin health. Next, and finally, we're going to talk about parsley. What can parsley do for us? When we think of parsley, a lot of people think about a little decorative thing you have on your plate in a restaurant, but parsley is really pretty healthy for you. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin K. And what does vitamin K do? Well, it has to do with our clotting factors, right? So it helps with our blood, but it also promotes strong bones And there's been studies in rats that have shown that vitamin K can help decrease osteoporosis. It's also a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C, and it's rich in flavonoids. So the vitamin C and the flavonoids, what does that do? Anti-inflammatory. So all of our ingredients in this smoothie are anti-inflammatory ingredients. You know what, guys? I got so excited, I almost forgot one of the most important ingredients in any grain smoothie, and that's spinach. Now, we all know spinach is one of the healthiest foods you can eat. So, what can spinach do for us? It can help prevent cancer. It can help prevent diabetes. It can help us maintain a healthy blood pressure. It can even repel viruses and bacteria. It protects our skin. It's good for our heart. It helps digestion. It helps stop hair loss. I guess I didn't eat enough spinach in my younger days. It can help weight loss, believe it or not. And there's a lot of other things spinach can do. But spinach is definitely a very healthy ingredient in this smoothie. Hello everyone. So it's the next morning, and what I've done today is I've cut everything up, split it in half. I'm going to make half of the smoothie today, put the rest in containers in the fridge, and save it for another day. There's a couple of things that I've learned while making this smoothie. First of all, the ginger can be very overpowering, so be careful with how much you put in. I actually added an apple to mine after I was done, just to sweeten it up some. The ginger really did have a strong taste. I like the taste of ginger, so it wasn't bad. But you could also add a couple of dates. This is not going to taste like a blueberry smoothie with yogurt and, pineapple and things that are super sweet. It's just not, because you have the parsley and the spinach in there and the ginger. But remember, this is going to help you with your weight loss, and maybe even more importantly than that, this has a lot of anti-inflammatory ingredients that can really start to help you become healthier. So, with that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I really do think that if you know somebody who has an autoimmune disease or suffers from any kind of disease causing inflammation, that you should pass this video on to them so they can learn how to make this smoothie. And what's really important is that you eat and drink things that are whole foods and stay away from processed foods at all costs. It really will help you in the long run, I promise. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more happy, healthy living information. I'm going to try to do an anti-inflammatory recipe at least once a week, so look out for those. That's what this was. And remember, I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.